Okay, 1 minute. I did not start recording. Okay, so good afternoon, children. So we are dealing with a new topic now. Okay. Okay. Now I'll give one more question. The second one is 0.6. 0.6. How will you write?
0.6 by 10.
6 by
10. 6 by 10.
10. Now, not this, we have to reduce it to lowest form.
2.
Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So it is 3 by 5. So entirely different fraction we got. Isn't it? Third one is 2.5.
25 by 10.
25 by 10. Any common number?
5.
5.
5.
So divide by 5, we will get 5 by 2.
5 by 2.
5 by 2. See, when we got 5's half, 5's half of 5 is, 5 by 2 is half of 5. Half of 5 is 2.5. Correct?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this. I came really now.
You were there from the beginning?
Ma'am, I couldn't attend the last 2 classes. So, what are you starting, ma'am?
This one you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
This is enough because last class, previous class, what all things I did, word problems only.
Okay, ma'am.
Word problems. You just see the recorder class, and if you have any doubt, you ask me. Call me, okay? Call
Okay,
me. I
ma'am.
will explain.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So is it 2.5 is 25 by 10 and it is 5 by 2. You know what is half of 5? Half of 5. 2.5, right? 2.5. 2.5. Did you understand? Half of 5. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you divide 5 by 2, I'll show you. Will you divide 5 by 2? How will you divide?
Ma'am,
Times?
ma'am, ma'am, it's not exactly divisible.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's
2
not
in,
exactly divisible
but you can
without
divide.
using.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
2 2s are 4. Subtract.
1 remainder.
1. Then
Ma'am,
what
then,
we'll do?
Point.
Point.
ma'am,
And
point.
10. 10. Then?
Ma'am, 10 into 2.
5. Correct? Now did you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the way. Clear, children? 5 by 2. And the fourth one? Fourth one is, if you want, you just divide it in the right side of your notes. And next is 3.8. 3.8.
38 by 10.
Ma'am, 38 by 10.
How many decimal places? Only one decimal place. So it is divided by 10.
10.
Now reduce into lowest form. Any common number you can reduce.
Ma'am, 2.
2.
Divide by
2.
divide by 2. So it is 19 by 5. When you divide 19 by 5, you will get the same answer. 3, 15, 4, 40, 8, 40. Clear? 3.8. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. So will you do this one? Fifth one, 21.2 and sixth one, 2 questions. Sixth one. Yes?
Ma'am, can you just show the first and second question after writing this fifth and sixth question?
Yes. 6.4. Okay, that is sixth question. Will you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Enough?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Who is that?
Ma'am, Namaste.
Namasya. Namasya, maybe there is some network issue, that is why. Namaste, will you leave the meeting and come back? Maybe that time you can see the board.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, children, did you get the answer? Did you get the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 21.2, how many decimal places?
1 decimal.
One decimal place. So 212 divided by 10, you will get this answer. Isn't it? Why you are not telling any answer to me?
Yes.
Why are you not answering? Yes. Then what is our next step?
Ma'am, next we have to make it to its lowest form.
Lowest form. So we can divide with 2. 212 by 2. What is the answer?
100.
32 by 5.
106
106 by 5.
106 by 5.
5.
Enough. Now you cannot reduce. This is the last simplest form. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will write here 106 by 5. Again, 6.4 is 64 by 10. Reduce to lowest form, we will divide by 2. Divide by 2, you will get 32
by
by.
5.
32 by 5.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will give
Yes,
some
ma'am.
more questions, which is with 100.
Okay, ma'am.
0.06. 0.06.
7 to
7th question, yes, 7th question, 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. What is the answer? How many decimal places are there?
Ma'am, 2 decimal places.
So 6
2
by
decimal places.
100.
100. Reduced to lowest form. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. You will get 3 by 50. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question. 8th one. 0.75. So according to the decimal places, you have to select the number which we are dividing, either 10, 100 or 1000. Okay. You got what is your answer?
75 by 100.
75 by 100. Okay, fine. Then which is the common number?
5.
5.
5.
5.
Other than that, you cannot find any number. Can we divide by 25? One step. 25 is the common
Yes,
number now.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, no problem. We'll divide with 5. No problem. Okay. So you will get 15 by
10.
20.
20.
Again, there is common factor 5. So within one step you can find. Okay. So it is 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
And ninth question, 0.125. 0.125. Zero point 125. If you finish, you tell me. Sian, Ismail, Abhyuday, Ashish, Adil, Harriet, Anthony Vijo, Sri Rudra, Kanishk, Abhinav Sajan. Arjun Krishna is absent for so many days.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, did you get any information about him? Anju, ma'am? Arjun Krishna is absent for so many days. Any information?
Ma'am and Haya also.
Ma'am, Haya is absent because she has some connection problem. But I think in one of the classes she told that she's seeing the recording classes.
Okay, okay. Yes. Yes. So, did you get the answer of this, children? Which number you will divide? 125 by 1000. Which is the common number? As you see, you will understand that it is 5. No problem. You divide step by step. Divide by 5. So, you will get 25 by
25 by
200.
200.
Correct. Again, you can divide by 25 or you can divide by 5 itself. So, it is 5 by 40. Again, you can divide by 5. So, you will get 1 by 8. Otherwise, 125 by 1000. 125 itself we can divide. Because 125 into 8 is 1000. So, our answer is 1 by 8. Directly you will get. Okay, children. Did you get the answer? Why you are not today keeping quiet? Are you getting the answer properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now shall I take the next topic?
Yes,
It is fraction to decimal, reverse.
Ma'am, can I know the fourth?
Yes. Board. Enough? Enough, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So next topic is fraction to decimal. Reverse operation, fraction to decimal. Decimals. Fractions to decimals. Okay. First one I'll show you. There is an easy method, children.
Ma'am,
See?
we have to write fraction to decimal. We already write the heading.
Just you note down only that. See, children, there is only one easy method is there. See, children, if the denominator is the number like 10, 100, 1000, etc., it is very easy for us to convert. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to me. If the denominator is 5 in this. Instead of 5, if it is 10, it will be easy for us to convert. So what we are doing is this 4 by 5, right? 4 by 5. You
Yes.
make this 5 as 10. How will you make this 5 as 10?
Into 2.
Into 2.
So you will do here also the same thing. That is our rule. Whatever we are doing in the denominator or numerator, you should do the other part also. So we will get 8 by
8
10.
by 10.
8 by 10.
And what is 8 by 10?
0.
0.8.
0.8.
0.8. 0.8. Okay, children? I hope you
ma'am.
understood. Okay, sometimes it will be a factor of 10, like 5, 2, like that. So it is easy to make us 10, convert as 10. But some questions, it is not a factor of 10. Maybe it is like this, 3 by 4. So it is not possible that 4 to make as 10. So what we will do is it possible to make it as 100? 4. Any number when you multiply, can you make it as 100?
Yes, ma'am.
Which number will you multiply? How will you make it as 100? Sometimes you can make 10. If it is a factor of 10. 5 it is easy. 2 it is easy. But this 4 is not. Yes. Yes, 4 is not a factor of 10. You cannot
4
multiply.
into 25.
4 into?
25.
4 into 25, correct. So
Excuse me,
you
ma'am.
can multiply. Yes. 1 minute. Yes, Smriti?
Ma'am, I had to leave in between. So can you just explain it once more?
Yes, 1 minute. Don't go in between the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After the class, you go anywhere. Okay, children. So 3 by 4. You have to make that 4 as a number which has zeros or 10, 100, 1000, etc. Like LCM we are doing. So
Okay, ma'am.
5 it is easy because it is easy to make multiply with 2. You can make it as 10. But 4 it is not that much easy. How can you make 4 as 10? There is no multiple to multiply to get 10. 4's multiplication table 10 is not there. So let us make it as 100. So it is easy when you multiply with 25. So your answer is 75 by 100 now. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
answer is 75 by 100. Clear, children? And what is the
Yes,
answer?
ma'am.
0.75.
0.75.
0.75. Some more questions I'll give you. So either 10 or 100 or 1000. Which is possible. Okay. And the third one is 7 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
0 by 35. 0.35.
Is it? Let us check.
And 3.5. 3.5.
0.
Ashish.
Ma'am, 3.5.
Okay, 7 by
3.5.
2 into, how did you make?
100.
Huh? Into?
Divide 5.
Into 5.
Into 5. So it is 35 by 10. So it is 3.5. No, Ashik? One decimal place.
Am I done by 100?
Okay, it is 7 by 2. It is easy to make it as 100. Sorry, 10. Next one. 8 by 25. 8 by 25.
What is the fourth question?
Okay, children, did you get the answer? 25. So 25, which one is easy for you?
104.
Make it as 100. So into 4. Into 4. So 32 by 100. That is 0.32. Okay, children, now I hope you understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
somehow you make it as 1000 or 100 or something like that. So I'll give you one more question. See, children, if the question comes like this, 7 by 3, how will you make as decimals? We cannot multiply any number to make it as 10, 100, 1000, etc. We cannot multiply. So in that case, you cannot multiply. Can you multiply 3 to some number to get it 10?
No, ma'am.
No,
Or can you make it as 100?
No, ma'am.
Can you make it as 1000? No way, no way. In that case, you directly divide it. Directly you divide. Okay. So 2,
6.
6, 1,
1
0,
point.
3, 9, 1, 0. It will continue like this. It will continue like this. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 2.333, etc. It will continue. So you can directly divide and get the answer also. Okay, children. Instead of making it as 10, 100, etc., you directly divide it. So one more question, 13 by 7. How will you do? Cannot do because 7 is a prime number. 7 into something is not. 10's multiplication double 7 is not there. 100 table also 7 not there. That 1000 table also 7 not there. So you directly divide 13 by 7. All the questions if you divide, you will get the answer. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 1, 7, 6, 0, 1 point. 1 point. What is the answer? 8 sevens are 56. 4 enough. Some decimal places only enough. 1.85. Sometimes it will continue like this. Okay.
Ma'am.
But you write only these 2 decimal places. So like these cases will not come if just I told you to remember these cases also. There are some cases like this also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Directly divide also you will get the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
more period is there for us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I will teach
Ma'am.
you number
Yes,
line.
ma'am.
Can you show the board?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, somebody told me to show the fourth question, right?
Ma'am Nihal.
This
Ma'am.
one. Yes.
Can
Ma'am
I complete the homework in Monday?
Homework?
In Monday.
Hmm. Monday?
Who told you will give homework?
Yes, I already given you. I have written on the board.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Exercise.
So you did you do it? I told that I will give an extended date. Okay, no problem. You take 2-3 days, no problem. Monday or Tuesday, you show me. Monday we don't have class.
Okay, little bit. No.
I already given you yesterday. Okay, children, now shall I wind up? Yes, yes, somebody is showing me the answer. Okay, very good. Okay, children, this is all word problems.
Yes.
Okay, children,
Okay,
shall I
ma'am.
wind up
Thank you,
now?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Yes. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.